Hello, fellow Amazon shoppers. I wanted to do a slime activity with my son, go through what makes slime, what is slime, how does it work, and just have fun creating all different types of slime. So I bought this slime kit, the Laevo Slime Kit. It has a sticker up top so that you can place all your different ingredients so that you do not get them mixed up. And when you open it, you have a slime book. And the slime book is nice because it has a ton of different recipes in it. Okay. And then the slime kit has all the ingredients in the slime kit to make all of these slimes. So you have your slime book over there. Right. And you have your clay. And here are all of your different colors, as well as the softener. You are provided all of your different cups. You also have your mixers and cutters. You have clear glue, white glue, measuring cups, your cross-linker borax solution, which ties in with the word cross-linker, ties in with the couple of links I will provide in my review that I used for my son to read and the episode he watched. And then you have your glitter. So my only issue with this is that somewhere during the process of packing it, the blue glitter got everywhere. In here and in here. It's kind of hard to see. But yeah, it's going to be a mess. But again, glitter, anytime you have glitter involved, it is messy. So I will attach another video as well that shows some of the slime we have made. I've realized it takes a lot of patience to make slime. Yesterday, this is the different kinds of slimes we made. We messed up twice. So it just takes practice and a feel for it. This here is the butter slime. And the butter slime is made with the clay. It actually has a great feel to it and stretchiness. It's probably my favorite clay. Alright. This is the glow-in-the-dark slime. And the glow-in-the-dark slime works quite well actually, but it says add 2 tiny teaspoons. I added half the packet. But as you can see, in there it says 25 milliliters of glue with 5 mils of borax. This is a little bit more than 25 mils of glue. I will say this, that the white glue that is provided takes a lot more than 5 milliliter of borax solution, while the clear glue that they gave you requires a lot less than 5 milliliters of borax. This here is just colored glitter slime. It's one of my favorites visually. This here is foam slime. Look at that, it looks like it's mold on top. Once it sits, all of the foam beads come to the top. But then you just mix it in, you knead it in. It just gives it a different texture. Alright, so then the last one that we did was the color changing slime. And we put it in the fridge and it turned a lighter color than this weird orange color. So it's going to take more than the two little tiny spoonfuls it tells you. So be sure that you practice making your basic slime first before you try any of the other cool ones. So that way you don't waste any of the powder. That was our mistake. But overall, I love this product. I love the wide range. We're starting to run out of the clear glue. We've run out of the white glue. But those are easy enough to get, and we still have all of this left. And there's snow. I'm excited to make the snow slime, which you make instant snow and then you mix it in the slime. So, and we still have our huge packet of glitter and the clay. The clay is what makes the butter slime, so I'm extremely happy with that. The clay is super sticky, however, so make sure you only mess with this when you're ready to add it to your slime. So, hope you guys have fun. Enjoy yourselves.